my dear friend. Tonight, when you lay your head upon your pillow, you will embark upon a journey far more remarkable than any voyage you could take in your waking hours. Yet how many of us dismiss our dreams as mere fantasy, as the meaningless chatter of a tired mind? Tonight, I invite you to see your dreams for what they truly are, a sacred doorway to the realm of spirit itself. For years, I have studied the mysteries of the mind, and I can tell you with absolute certainty that your dreams are not random accidents of sleep. They are purposeful communications from the deepest parts of your being. They are messages from realms beyond the physical world. They are your soul's attempt to guide you, teach you, and connect you with the infinite wisdom that surrounds us all. You see, when you sleep, something magnificent happens. Your ordinary waking consciousness, with all its worries and limitations, steps aside. The chattering voice in your head grows quiet. Your body becomes still. And in this sacred silence, your true self awakens. This is the part of you that is connected to all life, to all wisdom, to the very source of creation itself. Think of it this way. During your waking hours, you are like a radio receiver tuned to only one station. That station broadcasts the concerns of daily life, the demands of work, the noise of the world around you. But when you sleep, when your conscious mind relaxes its grip, your inner receiver begins to pick up other frequencies. Higher frequencies, spiritual frequencies that carry messages of profound importance. These messages come to you in the language of dreams. And what a rich language it is. Your dreaming mind speaks in symbols, in feelings, in images that bypass your logical thinking and speak directly to your soul. A dream of flying might be your spirit showing you that you are capable of rising above your current limitations. A dream of water might be calling your attention to the flow of emotions in your life, or to the need for cleansing and renewal. But here is what most people do not understand. Your dreams are not just personal messages. They are also your connection to the great web of consciousness that links all souls together. In your dreams, you can meet with loved ones who have passed beyond the physical world. You can receive guidance from wise beings who exist on higher planes of existence. You can tap into the collective wisdom of humanity itself. I have known individuals who solved complex problems through their dreams. I have witnessed artists receive entire compositions in the night. I have seen inventors discover solutions that had eluded them for years, all through the wisdom that came to them while they slept. This is not coincidence, my friend. This is the natural result of opening yourself to the spiritual realm through your dream life. Now, you might be thinking, but my dreams make no sense. They are confusing, chaotic, sometimes even frightening. This is because you have not yet learned to properly prepare yourself for the journey of sleep, nor to interpret the messages you receive. Like any skill, dream communication with spirit requires practice and understanding. Let me share with you the essential steps to transform your dream life into a powerful spiritual practice. First, you must prepare your mind before sleep. The quality of your dreams is directly influenced by the quality of your thoughts as you drift off. If you go to bed filled with worry, anger, or fear, you will attract experiences that match those vibrations. But if you prepare yourself with thoughts of peace, love, and spiritual aspiration, you open yourself to higher experiences. Before you close your eyes each night, take a few moments to quiet your mind. Release the concerns of the day. Forgive anyone who may have troubled you. Fill your heart with gratitude for the blessings in your life. Then, set a clear intention. Say to yourself, I am open to receiving guidance and wisdom through my dreams. I ask my higher self to communicate with me clearly. This simple preparation act is like tuning your inner radio to receive the clearest possible signal from the spiritual realm. Second, you must learn to remember your dreams. Most people forget their dreams within minutes of waking because they immediately flood their minds with the concerns of the coming day. Instead, when you first awaken, remain still. Keep your eyes closed. Allow the dream memories to surface gently, like bubbles rising in still water. Keep a notebook beside your bed. The moment you remember even a fragment of a dream, write it down immediately. Do not wait, for dream memories are as delicate as morning mist and will vanish at the first distraction. Record everything you can remember, no matter how strange or trivial it may seem. The colors, the feelings, the people, the symbols, all of these carry meaning. Third, you must learn to interpret the spiritual messages within your dreams. This is perhaps the most important skill of all. Your dreams speak in the language of your soul, not your logical mind. A dream of your deceased grandmother is not merely a memory resurfacing. It may be an actual visitation, a loving communication from the other side. A dream of climbing a mountain may be showing you the spiritual ascent your soul is making in this lifetime. Pay special attention to dreams that feel particularly vivid or real. These are often the most spiritually significant. Notice dreams that repeat themselves, for these are urgent messages that your spirit is trying to deliver. Be aware of dreams that leave you with strong emotions upon waking, for these emotions are often the key to understanding the dream's meaning. But remember, you are the best interpreter of your own dreams. While others may offer insights, the true meaning of your dream can only be fully understood by you. Trust your intuition. When you read over your dream record, notice which interpretation feels right in your heart. That feeling of recognition is your soul confirming the message it was trying to send. Fourth, you must learn to use your dreams for specific spiritual purposes. Once you have mastered the basics of dream recall and interpretation, you can begin to direct your dream experiences toward particular goals. You can ask for healing, for guidance about important decisions, for creative inspiration, or for communication with loved ones on the other side. Before sleep, clearly formulate your request. If you are facing a difficult decision, ask your higher self to show you the best path forward. If you are struggling with a health issue, ask for healing energy to flow through your dreams. If you miss someone who has passed on, invite them to visit you in your dreams with a message of love and reassurance. Be patient with this process. The spiritual realm operates on its own timeline, not ours. The answer to your request may come immediately, or it may take several nights. Sometimes the guidance comes in a form you do not expect. Trust that your higher self knows exactly what you need and when you need it. There is another profound truth I must share with you. Through your dreams, you can actually help others. When you sleep, your spirit is free to travel beyond the confines of your physical body. You can send healing energy to friends who are suffering. You can offer comfort to those who are grieving. You can even serve as a messenger, carrying love and light to souls who are struggling in darkness. Many of the acts of service you perform in your dreams are real and have genuine impact in the lives of others. You may wake with a strong feeling that you should contact a particular friend, only to discover that they were just thinking of you or needed your support. This is no coincidence. Your spirit reached out to them through the dream realm. As you develop your dream practice, you will begin to notice profound changes in your waking life. You will feel more connected to your intuition, more aware of the spiritual dimension of your existence. Problems that once seemed insurmountable will reveal their solutions. Relationships will deepen as you learn to send love and healing through your dreams. Your creative abilities will flourish as you tap into the infinite well of inspiration that exists in the spiritual realm. Most importantly, you will lose your fear of death, for through your dream experiences, you will come to know with absolute certainty that consciousness continues beyond the physical body. You will have direct personal proof that your loved ones who have passed on are still very much alive, just in a different form. This knowledge will transform not only how you live, but how you face the great transition that awaits us all. My friend, tonight you have the opportunity to begin this remarkable journey. Your dreams are waiting to become your greatest teachers, your most trusted guides, your direct connection to the infinite wisdom of the universe. All you need to do is approach them with reverence, with preparation, and with an open heart. Remember, you are not just a physical being having occasional spiritual experiences. You are a spiritual being temporarily wearing a physical form. Your dreams are simply your spirit's way of reminding you of this eternal truth. Through them, you can touch the very essence of who you are and connect with the divine source from which all life flows. Tonight, prepare yourself well. Set your intention clearly. Open your heart to receive the guidance that is always available to you. And tomorrow, begin the practice of recording and interpreting the sacred messages that your soul has been waiting to share with you. Your dreams are calling. The realm of spirit awaits your conscious participation. Step forward into this magnificent adventure and discover the profound wisdom that has been waiting for you all along in the sacred theater of your sleeping mind.